Marilyn Monroe, Frank Sinatra, Elvis Presley, and allegedly the mob all used to dine at this crazy old-school Hollywood steakhouse in Las Vegas.
This is Elvis Presley's booth here. Courthouse Rares, where he would order. Joe DiMaggio dated Marilyn Monroe, broke up. He's like, I don't want to come in here and see her with another day. He likes it to be moved to the other side, and that's where he has his second booth, table 3.
And they have the cuisine to back up the charm. We took down huge table-side Caesar salads before sharing an insane bone marrow appetizer with Las Vegas Phil. If he's there, you know it's good. At the Golden Steer, you have to order some steaks, and they're all good. How do I know? I ordered all of them. Getting such big cuts of rare steak and having them carved lovingly for you tableside is seriously such a fun and delicious experience. After you and your crew put away some steaks, the only option is to go for the Bananas Foster Flaming Dessert, which is a show in its own right.